Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a screw on the lower door hinge. The reason why you might do this is because the screw is rusted out or missing. For this job, you'll only need a 3/8 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. These screws are going to be located at the bottom of our fridge. One on either side of each bracket, and then on the opposite side as well. So today, I'm going to take out this one. And there it is. Now we can grab our new OEM replacement screw and put that right in the other side where the other one was. And just like that, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.